Hello guys, welcome to our channel Presentation Skills and welcome to our video. Today we will learn about verbal communications and I hope these skills will help you in your coming future. So let's continue with our video. So verbal communication refers to the use of spoken words and vocal sounds to convey message between individuals or groups. It is an essential form of communication in human interaction, allowing people to exchange information, express thoughts and feelings, and engage in conversation. So, first type of verbal communication is oral communication. This is the most common form of verbal communication where messages are conveyed through spoken words. It includes face to face conversation, phone calls, presentations, speech, and discussions. So, next is written communication. Although it is primarily a written form of communication, written messages can also be communicated verbally. For example, when someone reads a written document out loud, such as letter, email, or text message, it becomes verbal communication. So, basically, written communication is totally a different thing, but when someone is reading any document, then it becomes a part of verbal communication. Public speaking. This type of communication involves delivering a speech or presentation to a large audience. Public speaking requires effective verbal skills to engage and convey information clearly to listeners. So, public speaking is basically a speech in an auditorium or simply delivering your messages to your people face to face. Literatures and workshops. In academic or professional setting, literatures and workshops are conducted to impart knowledge or teach specific skills. Verbal communication plays a crucial role in these contexts as the speaker delivers information, answers questions, and facilitates learning through dialogue. This is basically when a student have some thoughts in his mind, so in order to clear his mind and clear his concepts, he basically asks his tutor questions related to his confusions, which in return tutor clears his concepts as well. Interviews. Verbal communication is central to interviews, whether they are job or interviews, media interviews, or research interviews. Interviewers ask questions and candidates or interviews respond verbally to convey their qualifications, opinions, and expressions. Debates and discussion. Verbal communication is essential in debates and discussions where individuals express their opinion, present arguments, and engage in dialogues to persuade others to reach or conscious. Teleconferences and video calls, where the advancement in technology, verbal communication can now take place remotely. Teleconferences and video calls allow people to communicate verbally with individuals or groups located in different locations, enabling collaboration and information exchange. If you guys are somewhat not getting the point of this type of verbal communication, this is basically when we are watching a movie or watching a video documentation. This is where it gets from. So I hope this helps you. So conclusion, these are some of the common types of verbal communication. It's important to note that non-verbal cues such as note of tone of voice, facial expression, gestures, and body language often complement verbal communication and contribute to the overall effectiveness of the message conveyed. So for this video, this is our topic, and we will surely come back with another video. Till then, note peace learned.